Viddy is a powerful feature that you can use to create even more content using your long-form videos on quso.ai. To use Viddy, open up any of the AI clips projects that are visible on your screen and click on the corner button right here. You can use Viddy to generate transcript, timestamps, show notes, summaries, codes, titles, newsletters, and pretty much everything else using your long-form video. To start using Viddy, you can ask it a custom prompt, or you can use any one of the predetermined prompts that you see on your screen. Let's try generating show notes from this video using Viddy. Very much like ChatGPT, Viddy is going to go through your entire video and generate the relevant content that you can then put out on your social media without having to go through the video again. Here's an example of Viddy generating show notes from the video that we uploaded. Viddy can also do custom things like generating highlights or custom things like popular quotations or noteworthy moments from your video. Let's ask Viddy to create one more set of quotations from our video. Viddy is an incredibly powerful tool that you can use very much like ChatGPT to extract even more powerful content from your video. I can't wait to see what you create with Viddy. Head on to quso.ai right now, create your first project using AI clips, and then experience the power of Viddy to supercharge your social media journey.